Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Monica CRM. Monica CRM is a personal relationship manager designed to help you keep track of the people in your life like friends, family, and acquaintances. Unlike traditional business CRMs, Monica focuses on personal connections, making it easy to remember birthdays, past conversations, gift ideas, and important life events. The interface is clean and user-friendly, allowing you to add notes, organize contacts into groups, and set reminders to stay in touch. You can also track meetings, phone calls, tasks, and even personal debts or credits. It's especially useful for people who want to be more thoughtful and intentional in their relationships. Monica is open source, so it's free to use and can be self-hosted, which gives you full control over your data. There's also a hosted version available if you prefer a simpler setup. While it doesn't have advanced automation or mobile apps yet, it's a solid choice for personal use. People who want a private, non-corporate way to manage their social life will find Monica helpful. Overall, it's a lightweight, privacy-respecting CRM that brings more warmth and organization to everyday relationships. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.